Yes, queen, you deserve your own freaking box. Hey guys, it's Amber from Saving Mamacita. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys know we are a channel that we do primarily monthly subscription box unboxings and we do product reviews. Today is an exciting one because it's a brand new freaking box to our channel. That's why I got kind of fancy today, you know, got the old hoops on, I got all fancy. Because we are introducing a brand new box to my channel called, are you ready for it? Boxy. Actually, it's called Boxy Momma, but look at this cute little box with the crown. That's right, this is Boxy Momma, a subscription box curated for, that's right, mamas. If you take a look at their website, I will leave some of that information here or here or here or down there. Somewhere on the screen, you will see it. Boxy Momma, MOMMACO.com. I know it sounds like a lot, but I will leave it down there for you to check out for yourself. But this is a themed care package, kind of like a self-care box, curated for moms. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox Boxy Momma. So here we go, unboxing Boxy Momma. So inside, right off the top, we have a fun, looks like a newsletter. It's actually, wow, it includes all of the information about each product in the box, as well as their values. You guys know that I love these very detailed descriptions of each item. Opening it up. Woo! Okay, it looks like, wow, we got a lot of cool things in here. Okay, this is a home wearable nose diffuser. Like, what? I have never heard of anything like this. It says, you can keep those stinky smells at bay with this wearable nose diffuser from Hone Oils. They are perfect for changing diapers, wearing with your mask, yoga, relaxing, whenever you need a little extra aromatherapy in your life. So, okay, yeah, you just stick this thing on your freaking nose and boom, you don't need to smell any nasty, stinky diapers.
A few moments later.
Let's open it up. You guys ready? Oh my goodness, this is super adorable. It is a necklace and it says Mama. Look at that. How beautiful. The Mama necklace, because every mom deserves some jewelry for Mother's Day. Say you're a mom loud and proud with this beautiful gold brass plated Mama necklace. Never forget your worth and just how amazing you are. This value is $20. Awesome! That is so cute! Next up, we have, you guys, this is something I can use for sure. This is called Volumizing Dry Shampoo. The brand is called Batiste Hair. BATISTE hair.com. The value is $3.99 on this. I'm gonna be real with you. I maybe wash my hair like once or twice a week. The other days I use dry shampoo. So I love trying different dry shampoos. I have a hard time finding dry shampoos that don't leave that nasty residue. And this looks like it has collagen in it. See that? It says with collagen. A different brand that I have never heard of, Batiste Hair. All right, next up, let's take some of this confetti out. Wow, okay, this is super adorable. This is a 6-piece manicure set. Let's open it up. 6-piece manicure. Can't speak and I can't open the dang thing either. Oh, there we go. Woo, it's falling out. All right, so 6-piece manicure set. It has nail clipper, nail file, tweezers. Look at that. This is nice. Keeps everything in one place, and you can definitely take it with you in your purse when you travel. Just kind of a nice thing to have. So this value is $11. It's from Brownlow. Love that. Very awesome. Very awesome. Okay, next up we have, ooh, what is this? Looks like a sucker. Is that a sucker? Or what is this? This is called seed bearing lollipop. Okay, what does seed bearing mean? Seed bearing lollipop. Because every mom deserves a sweet treat and flowers for Mother's Day. Not only is this a delicious vegan, organic, gluten-free, and dairy-free sucker, plant the stick when you're finished to grow some greens. Lollipop flavors and seeds vary. Excuse me? So this thing, I suck on it and then I have seeds to plants? Like, what? This is unique as heck. This is $2.25 value on this. This is a peach marigold. Next we have, ooh, what is this? Look at this, guys. Let's open this bad boy. Open it up. This is called Chocolate Coconut by Dirty Lamb. This is lip rocks. From thedirtylamb.com, $30, all natural, vegan, cruelty-free. This scrub will help hydrate your lips and make them smooth, super soft, and feel amazing. Yes. Yes, I was right. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Mmm. I can find myself probably licking my lips a lot after this, but yeah, super cool. $30 for that. We've got a couple things left, you guys, and it looks like one is a skincare product. This is called Nuria, Nuria, Defend Serum. Yay to healthy skin! You go through so much, treat yourself and your skin. Enjoy an all-natural, cruelty-free skin serum from Nuria. Perfect for all skin types. The Ruby's Red Tea, or the Rooibos Red Tea, boosts the healthy, youthful look of surface skin cells and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So yeah, that has the sodium hyaluronate, also naturally occurring in your body, helps restore moisture to your skin. So this has a value of $32 from Nuria Beauty. You guys, I have gotten a lot of serums lately in my boxes, and they've all been different brands too. So I am very excited. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty marketing package right there. It matches my channel even. It's got the orange and the blue, and it has the dropper for the serum. So, and now finally, we've got a mom stuff bag, because mom always needs an extra hand. Enjoy this exclusive Boxy Momma mom stuff bag to throw all those mom things in. This is a nice little tote, pretty big actually too, and it has a zipper, which is awesome, because a lot of totes that I've received, they don't have the zipper, they're just open. So yeah, it's a very large and in charge tote. In other words, do not touch. It is mom stuff. All right, so we did things a little bit differently this time. I actually moved the camera down so you guys could take a look at all of the items from the box. Did you like it that way, or do you like it when I pull them out and do it the other way? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to get your feedback, just trying to try different things for my channel and all of that jazz. So right now we're gonna go ahead and do a quick review, and then we are going to do our thing. You know what time it is. Yeah, it's time. It's time to rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. All right, you guys, so this was the very first Boxy Momma box that we have ever received. Quick review. We've got the Mom Stuff canvas tote. It's very big, actually. You can fit a lot of mom stuff in there. Next, we had the very interesting Amberella Organic Sucker Peach Mermaid, and it's actually has seeds in here to create your own marigold plants. Like, what? Next, we had the Volumizing shampoo. This is a sample size. You've got the necklace here too, the Mama necklace. You've also got the sample of the Craftmix, the lip scrub, chocolate lip scrub, the Noria serum for your face, and the other little sample here for the wearable nose diffuser. We've got the 6-piece manicure set. All of those items, you guys, $39.99 for the month of this box. And now let's go ahead and talk about how we rate the box. I know you guys that are my followers, you know how we do this thing, but for you newbies, here's how it goes down. We rate the box on a variety of factors, including, this is all in random order, by the way, price point, variety of the items, presentation of the items, you know, packaging and all of that fun stuff to create the entire unboxing experience. We score on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being, yes, you need to buy this box, or 1. No. Stay away. Let's get that drum roll. Hit it. A 6. Boxy Momma's May 2021 box. You guys get yourself a big fat 6. Thank you so much for sending me this box. I was so excited to receive this. This was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, you guys. If you did, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button down below, and ring ding, 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 that notification bell. That's right, you guys. All right, we'll see you back for more unboxing videos coming up real soon. Peace.